Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Artificial intelligence utilizes data and algorithms to create technical solutions. Data and algorithms could be open or closed given the business competitive advantage. Here's a list of the business models and how open and closed data and algorithms impact the business. The black box. Both data and algorithms are closed. This gives the business complete protection against competitors reviewing the data and algorithms. The drawback is lack of trust and transparency by the users of the system as they don't fully understand how it works. Open source model. Both data and algorithms are open. This gives competitors access to the methodology and the data, leaving nothing proprietary to the company. The advantage here is users can see how the system is working and adapt to it. Open data model. The data is open, but the algorithm is not. This makes the algorithm proprietary. This model works well for customers who have their own data, so the company monetizes the output. Algorithm model. The algorithm is open, but the data is not. This makes the data proprietary. This model works well for customers who understand the processing aspect, but have access to little data, so the company monetizes the data. In building your business model in AI, consider what the customer has and does not have relative to the algorithm and the data. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.